Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Kumar and welcome to my channel. This channel is created to share some basic mathematical concepts with you. Today we will discuss about the perimeter of some geometrical shapes. We will start with the perimeter of closed rectilinear shape. So first question is that what is the rectilinear shape? Rectilinear shapes are the figure that are made of the line segments and that are on the same plane. So and if the line segments are closed, then it is called the closed rectilinear shape, like a triangle where there are three line segments AB, BC and CA, or they are all, their boundaries are closed. So this is called the triangle. Like a square where the four line segments PQ, QR, RS and SP, and all the lines are in a closed shape. So this is, and four lines are equal, it is called a square. Where in the rectangle the opposite lines are equal and parallel. So these are the rectangle. So we will start with the perimeter of triangle. So basically perimeter is the length of its boundary. So how we calculate the length of the boundary? So we will calculate all the length of three line segments AB, BC and CA. So we have written length of AB is equal to A, BC is equal to B and CA is equal to C. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter will be A plus B plus C. We calculate perimeter of a triangle by adding the length of three sides. Like in this case, length is A, B and C. So we have calculated perimeter as A plus B plus C. But in the case of isosceles triangle, where when the isosceles triangle all the sides are equal, so we do not have to separately add all the three triangles. In that case we have to add all the three sides. So we can easily calculate by multiplying 3 by one side. Now we will start to calculate the perimeter for a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a shape which has four sides. So for calculating the perimeter, so we have to add the length of all the four sides. Like in this case, this is a quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. So we have four sides P, Q, R and S. So we will calculate perimeter by adding all the fours, P plus Q plus R plus S. And in the quadrilateral where the opposite sides are equal, in the case which is rectangle, so in this case we do not have to add all the four sides. We can add two sides L and B and we will multiply by 2 and we will get the perimeter, because all the opposite sides are equal. MN side, length of MN is L and OP is L and NO is B and PM is B. So perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B. And in the case of a square where all the sides are equal, so we will easily calculate perimeter by multiply the length of one side by 4. Now we will calculate perimeter of some another shape which is called circle, which is non-rectilinear shape. So the mathematical formula for perimeter of circle, which is called the circumference, equal to 2 pi r, and value of pi is approx 3.14. The first time the pi was used by William Jones in 1706, and after 30 years it has become the standard formula in mathematics. Pi is a Greek word and it is standardly used for calculating the area or perimeter of a circle. Pi is a ratio of the circumference of circle and the diameter.